the freakiest they got going on, man? Freaky situation they got going on. I don't know what's going on with my thumb here, man. But kind of freak situation they got going on, man. Outside, right outside the my house. All I seen is a woman with her dog and I guess another female off or whatever with a hat on, right behind my sister's car or whatever. Vehicle, staring off at me, all strange and weirdly, like what? Nothing like probably me, myself can worry about. As long as she don't seem like she had that gun off on her hand or anything of that nature, then I'm cool. Like a brother like me, I'm straight up cool, man. And any freaky situation, I definitely don't pay no mind off from or handle off or whatever. Can't handle myself. I mean, I'm just looking at her like, what? So they looking at me like she gonna do something like real freakish, scary way or whatever, but. What's going on, man? What's going on with the world? So I'm trying to tell y'all off. New video. Trying to figure out what's up with Shorty, man. Yeah, all I'm doing off here, I'm just gonna be vibing, cooling on back. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share out my channels as I bring y'all more and better bangers. But yeah, man, on game. Alright, so what up, y'all? A little shit, but it's all cool. About to go ahead and myself a good old one piece of soda. That probably, but it's gonna be most likely my day. I want nothing else but snack and soda. I mean, I want to eat real food, but there ain't much real food to eat up. Of course, someone off here at the bring the trash can out close to normally reach out to the trash can myself, but I'm going close to have to bring it out closer from me. I don't keep saying to not do it unless they're helping the brother out, but unless they helping me out off or whatever, then why do it, man? Why bring the trash can off closer? Yeah, all I got off from the freezer now is regular stuff, juice, and some soda off here. I had Wawa sandwiches on deck, sandwiches in general on deck, but it's all gone. Brother like me. Brother like me have to straight up manage some off or whatever. I'm drinking on this right quick. I promise y'all that water day is coming. It's today. As a matter of fact, maybe I do that water day to day. Well, y'all, new video banger on my sick day. This is my good old bad allergy season sick day, man. I'm feeling a little bit of allergy sickness off or whatever. I just hope and pray, man, that doesn't stop my grind with y'all, video grind, work flow with y'all off here. And tomorrow, workout gym day as well too. So let's hope and pray that doesn't, affect that, doesn't stop that at all. Cause I am trying to work out. I'm trying to get strong. I am trying to get good old. I'm trying to get that good old summer body vibes, strong summer body vibes going. So, um, let's hope and pray that doesn't stop the effect off here. And I'll never know. Might get a good old DJ gig, man. I never know. Like, let's hope and pray, man. I still get a DJ gig, a good DJ gig from the bro, man. My DJ bro, friend or whatever, off. Trying to get to this money, trying to get the bag, and my DJ friend, bro, whatever, been helping me off with that. So, big shout out to him. Drop his at off on the screen, DJ Dreads. So make sure y'all go ahead and follow him off that gram off there, man. Nice enough to do it. He's been helping the brother out, so hey, why not? So let's get to it. Let's get to this nice lit scene of a good old YouTube scene right here. And yeah, man, I get at y'all once everything gets lit. Nelson, yo, just left. I'm thinking like 5 o'clock. I was thinking about 3, but nah. What am I doing 5 o'clock? My DJing path of business. Plus, I wanted to like brainstorm some new mixes. Come up with, maybe get into like some other genres than it is now. So, my last soda of the day. Probably pinching to some water. Thinking about pinching to some water today, man. Having a water day. Good old water day today for my workout session tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow afternoon, get into the good old gym. See if my peeps that's supposed to be taking me off here to that gym, IMCA that is, have a good old day pass. See if they can give it out a way off for the one good old day pass off or whatever. For her to work out with me off or whatever in the gym, but train. Dog about to turn off the TV. Look like this because I got the primary PlayStation 1 game system. About to turn it off though. And then I'm done my teeth. But yeah, before I take care of my teeth, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to pray for brother. You know, pray off for me. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is in the noon, morning maybe. You know, once I get up off or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and brush my teeth, relax, and I guess I'll keep y'all updated about my legs and everything else. So it's very healed up, and you know the pain gone away from my legs, and I won't be so happy tonight. I feel like they're about to go out on a brother or whatever, man. Cause I don't wanna do none of that. I wanna walk, and I wanna live life. So again, I'm young, and some God people may take some people's legs. No matter how young they are, He will do it. If he feels he needs the powers and needs to. But I'm a good brother. See, if I wasn't a good brother or whatever, man, good human being, but I'm good peoples. For real. I'm good peoples. So, I deserve to have my legs intact. I deserve to have, a good life, live it off or whatever. How I want to. I'm a very good human being, so rather God take my legs now or however you want to do it, I understand. But I'm young. I'm good. I'm a good human being. I like to live life the best way I know how, and I really want to keep my legs. So if y'all could just please pray for a brother. Please pray for me off here, man. Man, the struggles through this type of lifetime is definitely real for me, man. So I'm gonna pray off for as well for myself off or whatever as well too. My sleep or whatever else. But I want y'all also do it off with me as well too. So yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my good old teethy or whatever teeth. Got the toothbrush and everything else, but y'all just pray for me, and I'm gonna do the same. I'll keep y'all updated in the morning, noontime. Shersky. Yeah. Got my DJ. Got my good old DJ back. I see it right here on me, baby. Set that down. Time for me to celebrate, man. apologize for not giving y'all an update of, you know, look off or whatever. DJ's friend, but maybe next time. I don't know. Who knows? You might stop over here. Good on Sunday noon. You know, maybe think about, you know, hitting my mop off or whatever that day on a Sunday. Who knows? But get this thinking. Okay, so this here or so pizza. I got one pizza. One nice freaking pizza, man. I think that's it. Get some. So let me see. We'll get some chicken bites. We'll keep this up in a good old box. Heat it up in the good old box. I'm gonna remove the foil pan. But y'all comment below really, man. Y'all think he's a little bit mad, you know, in the inside. I mean, in the inside, cool on the outside or out. I don't feel like that. I think he's a little bit cool to me. I mean, his vibe, you know, everything else is a little bit cool, and you know, he wasn't too arable and mad and everything else, man. I think he's a little bit good. I mean, inside off or whatever, of him off or whatever, maybe mad or whatever, but I don't know, man. Mother seemed like, I don't know. We're gonna see what he did Sunday. Hopefully, you want Dell off. My will wraps, presents, and everything else on Sunday. If not, and I don't know, but yeah, man. Go ahead, celebrate off a little bit, cut to the vibe, mood and celebration vibe. I'm going off to this food, and I guess I'll catch y'all in the noon.